The world needs visionary designers to move along with the constantly changing trends and fashion. Welcome to the Unitedworld Institute of Design, NCR campus. The NCR campus is yet another milestone in the rich legacy of UID. A leader in shaping, evolving, thoughtful and adaptive global designers for over a decade. Located within the GD Goenka University campus, Gurgaon, the college is the perfect place to melt and fuse your artistic dreams with preparedness to be a creative professional. Offering strategically crafted and holistic BDes and MDes courses, UID NCR presents its students a superlatively balanced theoretical and practical approach to design studies. The curriculum is propelled into excellence through a strong pedagogy led by a team of extremely experienced and seasoned industry experts and faculty members. And when it comes to giving physical shape to design ideas, UID NCR is way ahead in its league. With highly advanced modern equipment and technology for various subjects spread across multiple labs and workshops, the students derive the much-needed opportunity to experiment and learn, to improvise and improve continuously. Design is the best communication of your thoughts in front of the world. And to be the best, be among the best. Learn from the best. Be a part of the Unitedworld Institute of Design, NCR campus.